Are you still handing out printed business cards?
Surely you can't be serious.
Okay, for real. It's time to step up your game to the smart card. One business card, 100,000 uses, and it's sexy as hell. Just tap your card on a smartphone to instantly transfer your income.
But you're still in good shape. All you gotta do is just tap it in. Just tap it in now.
Because the last time you bought paper cards, of the 500 cards, 473 are still in the box. A lot of trees died for those cards. Need more reasons to get a smart card? Sure. One, it's the 21st century. You don't own a Rolodex. Wait, you don't, right? Because that would be weird. Watch how people react to it. Okay, so what are you waiting for?
Did you get that memo?